We are ready to serve you and all of your real estate needs. Don't forget to click on the menu button on the left-hand side for more information and to share the tour with your family and friends. Trust the local experts. Trust Platinum. Surround yourself with 40 acres of nature. This wooded 40-acre parcel has 3 small springs that flow year-round. 2 of them come together to form a nice enchanting stream on the west side. The third one forms a smaller creek in the middle of the property. There is also another creek that adjoins the large creek on the northeast corner. The property is strategically located less than 15 minutes from Blackstone Golf Course, Emerald Coast Zoo, new FEDEX Ground Facility, I-10, Bob Sikes Airport, shopping, banking, and approximately 30 minutes from Duke Field, Eglin AFB and the white sandy beaches of the Emerald Coast. Property zone agricultural. Call us today to schedule your showing.